Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. I decided to do a little intro instead of just doing a voiceover because I want to be able to say hi face to face. In today's video, we're going to be doing so much fall decor. I'm going to be decorating the entryway to the home. I'm also going to be doing a fall tablescape and decorating the hutch in the dining room. So I'm so excited to share this with you. I know fall is just around the corner. In my home, it's here already. I have already decorated the kitchen and we've decorated the dining room now and the entryway. So I'm so excited to show you all of this. If you didn't catch my last video, kitchen, dining table, and the island, then go ahead and check that out too if you need some more fall decor inspo. I give you two options in that video. One is a more traditional fall decor and the other one is kind of a little more glam fall decor. And I can't decide yet which one I love more. I think I love the fall glam one more, but maybe it's because it's reminding me a little bit of Halloween. I don't know, which by the way is my favorite holiday or favorite part of fall season. If you're new to my channel, again, I want to say hi. I hope that you choose to subscribe. If you like my content, that would make me so happy. I have a lot of future fall decor videos coming up. We also have other holidays like Halloween. I do have a Halloween video planned. It's my favorite, like I said before. And I'm also going to be doing a ton for Christmas. So make sure that you're subscribed and that you have the notification bell on. If you're interested in cleaning motivation, home decor, mom life, that sort of thing, then I think you'll enjoy the content on my channel. Go ahead and subscribe and give me a thumbs up, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this decor. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay, loves, let's get started on this entryway decor. So here I am showing you everything that I have. I have some white pumpkins, the green, beautiful florals from Michael's. Also, these velvet pumpkins, these cloth pumpkins are from Target Dollar Spot. White stack pumpkin I found at Home Goods maybe 2 years ago. I've had these orchids for a really long time. This jar vase is from Pier 1 Imports, and this tier tray is from Hobby Lobby, and the garland on the tier tray is from Amazon, as is the checkered pillow. Also, the lantern is from Michael's as well. Anyway, I wanted something very welcoming and very much fall, and I wanted to keep into the scheme of using warm colors, but also incorporate some white and some neutral colors. So I decided to go with these beautiful fall leaves, and inside, to brighten it up a little bit, I'm going to add some of those long orchids that I have just to give it a little pop of color and also to give the floral arrangement a little bit of a lift. I absolutely love the colors in these leaves. It totally reminds me of fall out here in the Midwest. The trees in our yard actually get to be this color, and I think it's just beautiful. So I really wanted to incorporate a little bit of the outside inside.
If I never figure out where the road goes, even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
So now that I have my flower arrangement, I'm going to add on all the extras. I love this autumn sign here. I think it has all things fall in it. And next to that, I'm going to add a really cute lantern and add some LED lights inside to give it some glam and to give it some light. And I think in the evening, it will just be so cute.
Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you
adding the LED lights, I felt like this lantern needed a little something extra, so I'm going to fill it up with pumpkins. I tried doing it with the lantern standing up, and it was really hard to get everything stacked in a way that the door could close and that the lights still were in the right spots. So I decided to put it on its side and do it that way, and I think it worked. I did have to do a little bit of adjusting, but that's just a tip. If you're going to be filling a lantern, turn it on its side and then slowly lift it, and then you can do a little bit of an adjustment here and there for those.
Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand.
I have this adorable little mini stand that I purchased off of Etsy, and I'm going to use that as a candle holder for this Bath & Body Works candle. It smells amazing. It smells completely like fall. It's the marshmallow candle, and it just smells like vanilla and marshmallows, and I love it. So I'm going to add that there on that stand and just a couple little pumpkins, and that's it for the top shelf. I'm just going to leave it kind of simple and clean.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.
Everything in this bag that I just showed you smells incredible. It's got a light scent of cinnamon and vanilla. I got this from Michael's and it smells amazing. It's just subtle, not overwhelming, but it's just that little something extra. And I feel like in decor, a little something extra kind of goes a long way. I think this really gives it the fall vibes. Every time you walk in or walk by the front of the house, you'll get this light scent of cinnamon and vanilla, and I just find it so cozy and so fall.
Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no
So for my centerpiece, I am going to be using this basket that I found at Home Goods. I purchased this 2 years ago and it came with 4 individual vases that you can use, and each one has a single flower for the vases. But I took the vases out and I'm going to use this as the base of my centerpiece. And for the inside, I'm going to be using various picks that I found. Some are from the Dollar Tree, some are from Michael's, and some are from Hobby Lobby, but they are all over the place right now. So no matter what store you go to, you're going to find them. What I really had in mind here was just to get something really kind of full and overflowing. And I didn't have a garland or anything that I could use as a centerpiece, so I kind of came up with this instead of purchasing a garland. So I wanted to make sure that I really filled it up and that it would complement the different flower arrangements I had both on the hutch and then also in the entryway. The only thing that I felt as I was moving along with it was that maybe it was too Thanksgiving and not necessarily fall. But either way it could work, I think, because of the color schemes and the abundance of it, and the pumpkins and the berries and the corn and all of everything in there. I think it just looks very abundant and very fall-like.
was the last time, but you keep coming back to tell me sorry that you take back all the things you said just to hurt me. Our love just went cold, but I'm still burning. Our love just went cold. Why? I keep on making the same mistake. I always let you back in when I begin to get myself together again. You are back once more, like everything's the same. I tried to build my walls up, but you're taking them down. It's tearing me apart, I can't pretend. Now I have to get over you again. You said it was the last time, but you keep coming back to show me sorry you have changed now, but it's the same old story.
For the hutch, I am first going to wipe it down really well. It was so dusty back here. And then I'm going to add this little stool that I purchased off of Etsy. I think it's just so cute. And then I'm going to use this vase. This vase is from Michael's, as well as the floral. So I'm going to go ahead and fluff this up. So inside the vase, there's some blocks of hay that I have inside, and I only added those so that I could lift the floral arrangement a little bit so that it can be visible above the table and from the front door when you walk in. It's to your left side when you first walk in the door. So I wanted to make sure I had it really big and fluffy and tall, and I figured adding those at the bottom of the vase would give that the lift that it needed. And I really recommend doing this if you feel like you want a bigger, more luscious flower arrangement. Add something on the bottom of the vase, and even if you add it and it's visible through a glass vase, you can wrap it at the bottom with some burlap, with tissue paper, anything really to cover it up, and then just add your floral arrangement and it will be a little bit higher, which is always so pretty.
Back in when I begin to get myself together again. You are back once more, like everything's the same. I tried to build my walls up, but you're taking them down. It's tearing me apart, I can't pretend. Now I have to get over you again. Have to get over you again.
Lying awake with the sound of an emptiness you left behind. Trying to sleep, but the silence is haunting this room every night. Oh, I wish the sun would rise and see the clouds pass by. I didn't want to say goodbye to you, but you're gone. I don't wanna close my eyes. It feels like I'm falling down.
To complement the centerpiece and to add just a little bit of color and some brightness, I am going to be using these chargers that are $4.99, and they are now 40% off at Michael's. So go grab some right now if you need some chargers. I am going to be using the clear ones on the 4 and then the white ones on both ends of the table. And then I'm also going to be adding plates that we use really every day. They're just kind of a beige and brown color on top of that. These are the cloth napkins that I'm going to be using. They're in the color Natural, and they come as a 12-pack from Bed Bath & Beyond. I was also able to use a 20% off coupon, so that was great. I do need to iron these, so please guys, no shaming here on that, but I just haven't gotten around to it. So I'm going to place a natural color cloth napkin on top of each plate and then a little pumpkin on each dish. Wanted to place the napkins underneath the plate, between the plate and the charger, but I felt like these napkins were not long enough. I don't know, leave me a comment below and let me know if you think they would look okay underneath or if it needs a longer napkin.
It feels like I'm falling down, falling down. Why won't they go away? Pictures of you in my head. The way you left broke my heart. Breathing the air of this morning, but it's not the same without you.
We accomplished so much today. I hope that I gave you some decor ideas and that you were inspired to start decorating your home for fall. You can find a lot of these pieces right now at the stores. Again, I shopped at Michael's and Dollar Tree and Hobby Lobby. A lot of these items are on sale right now, and of course after fall they do go down more on sale, so you can always stock up after fall. But I hope that you enjoyed this. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and if you're new, subscribe. I would love to have you join my YouTube family. I do have some more fall videos coming up and a couple of cozy clean with me's coming up, as well as some desserts. So make sure you have your notification bell on. I cannot wait to share those with you. I hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful start to your fall season, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.
Keep on pouring down when it's gray outside.